Kurt Draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt and I'm a dad who loves to draw. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a bat. Don't be fooled, these are great. These guys stay up all night long. They take care of all the bugs that we don't like. You just gotta love them. So come on, let's get to drawing. Okay, let's get started drawing our bat here. And first thing we're going to draw is his head, and we want to kind of draw it toward the lower section of our page here. And we're going to start off with almost a right angle, not quite, but it's a little bit of a tilt. And we're going to come up here and let's get our head in our head shape here. Okay, let's get his ears in now. I've got this big line here. We're going to add a curve there and another curve. So we have ears that are different size, but that's because one is further back in space, one is closer to us. It gives a sense of depth when you have scale of objects. Let's get his body in here now. And we're going to start off with a straight line coming off the back. And we'll do a slight curve here. Okay. Let's get his arms in now. Going to come up here. Just a slight little dot so I know where his elbow is going to go. We're going to come up here with this shape, and then this is going to be his hook. It's not called a hook, but they seem to have a one foot or a finger that's longer than the others. And let's come on the other side here. Same thing. Elbow there. And the top of his hand. Okay. Let's go ahead and get some feet down here so we kind of have some idea where those are going to fall. I'm just going to extend those out. And then on the bottom part of his body, I'm going to put a center line and another line coming off to where his tail would be. All right, let's get these wings in. Wings can look complicated, but I've found a way to make it very simple and easy, all right? Let's start with the top right one. And all we're going to do here is draw the corner of a box. And let's go to the other one as well. And we're going to draw a corner of a box.
Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this.
Let's go back to the one on the top right, and we're going to draw another line right down right in the center of those two. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. Now this would be a great time to stop the video and get caught up. All right, let's continue on here. Next thing I want to do, I want to go to the very top of the right-hand side, and we're going to give one more small line right there. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. One small line right there. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to play connect the dots, okay? First thing we're going to do is do this. And we'll do another one. And then from here, this is going to go all the way to his foot. So we have a nice long curve there. Then we're going to go right into his tail. And let's do the same to the other side. Nice curve, all the way to his foot. And then right into his tail. And the last part of his wings is right where his hands are. We're going to come right in here. This will be the top part of his wing, and we'll do that to the other side as well. All right, let's go ahead and then get these ears finished in place here. I'm going to give a little line here to thickness of his ears. And I've noticed that bats have some very interesting ears. Of course, they've got to be they have to be intricate because they use them to hear with sonar. I think, oh, it's a radar. Radar? Echo? I don't know what it is. All right, let's get his face in here. Let's start with his nose, and his nose is going to be this really small little curly cues here. Then we're going to put one eye right to the edge there, another eye right over here, and I've put some eyebrows. I don't know if they have eyebrows, but I just thought those would be fun and interesting. And now I'm going to add a little bit of his mouth, and it's going to be kind of like he's grinning, or not grinning, but clenching his teeth. Right. All right, let's go in now and start to darken up some of our lines here. And then I'm going to add some surface lines down here on the underside of his belly. This will give us a real sense like he's furry down here. We've got his tail coming out. We've got his legs coming in with a little bit of a hook there. And let's get his hands here, and for his forearms, I'm just going to cause a little thickness there at the elbow. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. A little thickness at his elbow. Great. And now let's get his wings. I'm going into the top part here and making this really stretchy. Just kind of over drawing my lines just a little bit. Kind of keeps a very sketchy feel for it. And feel free if you need to flip your page ever so slightly to get those lines in. And that does it. That kind of finishes up our little bat here. I'm going to color them, and you can see on the left-hand side how I've done that. And I hope you like that, and we will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.